Welcome. I'm Gleaves Whitney, Director of the Hauenstein Center for Presidential Studies at Grand Valley State University. And I, like my state and much of the nation, are under quarantine as I speak to you from Grand Rapids, Michigan. The poet T.S. Eliot could have been writing about our own time when he mused almost a century ago. April is the cruelest month. American public health experts and elected officials have embraced social distancing and stay-in-place strategies to cope with the COVID-19 pandemic. They have rejected the idea of building herd immunity to fight this virulent strain of flu. Sweden, on the other hand, and the British government until 1 week ago, early on favored the idea of developing the most natural vaccine of all, allowing the virus to spread through the population with minimal restrictions so that people could acquire the antibodies to survive it. Well, both strategies carry huge risks, the former to economic vitality and the latter grave risks to public health. For a terrific article that explains the different approaches to fighting the coronavirus and the moral implications of each, I'd recommend Alistair Nicholas's article. It's called Now More Than Ever, Leaders and Governments Need a Moral Compass. It's at MercatorNet's website. I highly recommend it. Now, as of this writing, it looks as if stay-in-place policies will remain in effect in the United States until at least April 30th, 2020. Social distancing and stay-in-place orders have been practiced in various states and locales around the U.S. since the week of March 8th. For all practical purposes, our nation is under quarantine. The word quarantine, by the way, is derived from the ancient Latin word for 40 days. So to fight the cruelest month and to keep our minds active, I am launching 2 new video series for friends of the Hauenstein Center. I hope a lot of students will watch them. Journeys is a series of short, taped videos on a variety of engaging subjects: historical, literary, philosophical, religious, leadership, governing. During the quarantine, we may not be able to journey much outside our homes, but that should not stop us from journeying outside our minds. My approach in these presentations is to inquire, explore, and share a few things I've learned over the years. These videos are available for viewing at the Hauenstein Center's website, gvsu.edu/hc. The second series is Lunch and Learn with Gleaves. Social distancing does not mean we have to stop speaking to one another. And each Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m., I will host a guest for a live videoed conversation, again on a variety of engaging subjects worth exploring. You can join us live via Zoom and ask questions. You can watch the conversations later. I hope you do. They will be archived at gvsu.edu/hc. During the quarantine, we at the Hauenstein Center will do all that we can to keep April from being the cruelest month. Let's stay in touch with each other and keep our minds in good shape and our spirits in good repair. I'm Gleaves Whitney. Thanks for watching.